Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a great opportunity for me to join with you all in this 14th Regional Environmentally Sustainable Transport Forum is arranged in Japan, our trusted and time-tested friend. At the very beginning, I would like to recall and pay my heartfelt gratitude to the architect of Bangladesh and our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Once Bangladesh was known as bottomless basket. Now the country is recognizing as role model of economic growth and development. This country magically transformed in recent years under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Visionary Prime Minister, Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina. Government of Bangladesh has been undertaking necessary steps with a fresh endeavor to become an upper middle income country by 2031 and high income country by 2041. All know the transport and communication system is a vital physical infrastructure which acts as a prerequisite of the socio-economic development of Bangladesh. The role of road transport in carriage of both passenger and freight traffic over the years had been increasing almost consistently. Recognizing the important role of transport, Bangladesh has put top priority to the development of its transport network. Bangladesh witnessed rapid growth and magnificent development of transport sector, particularly since last decade. As a developing country, environmentally sustainable transport system is required for supporting its fast-growing economy and environment. The new EST Declaration 2021 to 2021 to 2030 will act both as a pathway and framework for transformational change in the transport sector of Bangladesh. To achieve EST goal and other global initiatives for environmentally sustainable transport, Bangladesh has already framed implementing wide range of policy and transport strategies. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, transport contributes directly to 5 SDGs targets. These are road safety, energy efficiency, sustainable infrastructure, urban access, and fossil fuel subsidies. In line with these targets, the 8th five-year plan of Bangladesh mentions electric intercity trains, MRT, underground MRT, and electric buses, cars, etc. for ensuring clean energy transport. On the investment side, the strategy would continue to prioritize timely completion of all transformational transport infrastructure projects like MRT, BRT, intercity bridges, highway tunnels, and seaports. Ladies and gentlemen, Bangladesh has proposed 3.4 million tons carbon dioxide gas emission reduction by 2030 as unconditional contribution from transport sector. If the country receives adequate support from the international community, this greenhouse gas reduction can be increased by an additional amount under the conditional scenario. On the other side, we have enough scope to work on road safety. We welcome every kind of support for ensuring to make highways safer. Finally, I hope this transport forum will facilitate to achieve universal accessible, safe, affordable, efficient, resilient, multimodal transport among member countries. Bangladesh expresses its commitment again for working together with the global partners for sustainable and safer transport. I wish the success of the event. Thank you all. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu.